Hello, friends. I'm Ms. Ellie. Today we're going to learn 40 fun words about Father's Day and even explore how it all began. Are you ready? Let's go.
General words.
General words.
Father,
Father,
grandfather,
grandfather,
fatherhood,
fatherhood,
son,
son,
daughter,
daughter,
celebration,
celebration,
gift,
gift,
surprise,
surprise,
love,
love,
family,
family.
descriptive words for dads,
Descriptive words for dads.
caring,
Caring,
strong,
strong,
supportive,
supportive,
wise,
wise,
patient,
patient,
brave,
brave,
loving,
loving,
kind,
kind,
funny,
funny,
hero,
hero,
role model,
role model.
special things for dads,
Special things for dads.
card,
Card,
shirt,
shirt,
book,
book,
tie,
tie,
watch,
watch,
wallet,
wallet,
mug,
mug,
tools,
tools,
socks,
socks,
belt,
belt,
slippers,
slippers,
headphones,
headphones.
activities on Father's Day,
Activities on Father's Day.
barbecue,
Barbecue,
fishing,
fishing,
gardening,
gardening,
playing catch,
playing catch,
playing soccer,
playing soccer,
Playing video games.
Playing video games.
Watching a movie.
Watching a movie.
Having a picnic.
Having a picnic.
Saying thank you.
Saying thank you.
Giving a hug.
Giving a hug.
Writing a card.
Writing a card.
Making breakfast.
Making breakfast.
Taking a family photo.
Taking a family photo.
Now let's learn about the story of Father's Day. The first official Father's Day in history was celebrated on June 19, 1910, in Spokane, Washington, USA. It all started with a girl named Sonora. Her father was a soldier who raised 6 children all by himself. One day, Sonora heard someone talking about Mother's Day. She thought, fathers deserve a special day too. People loved her idea, and Father's Day began to grow. In 1972, U.S. President Richard Nixon signed a law to make the third Sunday of June a national holiday. Today, many countries around the world celebrate Father's Day in different ways to honor the love, strength, and care of fathers everywhere. Great job, everyone! Now you know so much about Father's Day. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.